Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Now here's the thing. Gemini doesn't create GIFs directly in one click, but here's the best way to do it using Gemini. Click on the message bar and type in your prompt. For example, type something like, "Generate a sequence of images showing a bouncing ball," or any animation idea you have. Gemini will generate a series of images for you. Now, download each image one by one. Save all of them to a folder on your PC. Now, open your browser and go to any free GIF maker website. A good one is easygif.com. Click on GIF Maker at the top. Click Choose Files and upload all the images you downloaded from Gemini. Click Upload and make a GIF. Now adjust the speed and delay between each frame to get the animation looking right. Once you're happy with it, click Make GIF. Your GIF will now be generated on the screen. Click Save to download it to your PC. That's it. Your Gemini-powered GIF is ready to share anywhere you want. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.